How to link people to Temu. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now, you have to select the items that you want to purchase. Add the items to the cart. Once you are done selecting the items and adding those items to the cart, click on this option Go to Cart. So these are the items that you have selected for the purchase. Now you can click on the option of checkout. And over here, you're going to find all the details of your purchase. When you scroll down, you will find this section of payment method. From here, you can easily link your PayPal to Temu. Here, you're going to see this option of PayPal. You have to click on that option. If you have coupon code, you can click over here and then type in the coupon code. Check the details of your purchase. Then scroll down, click on PayPal. Click on Continue. Now type in your PayPal account's credentials, email or phone number, and then click on Next. In the next page, type in your password and click on Confirm. And just with that, you have linked your PayPal account to Temu. Well, this way you can easily link your Temu account to PayPal. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.